Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will learn how to update record using ScreenFlow. In last video, we create one custom object user register. Okay, go to setup. After that, in quick find, here write flows. After that, new flow. Select here ScreenFlow because here we learn how to update record using ScreenFlow. That's why select here ScreenFlow and create. After that, select here screen and drop here. Label is enter your details. After that, here search component. Our first field is enter first name. Here answer is name and drop here. Okay, API name is full name. After that, next field is email. Drag and drop here. API name is email user register. Here is placeholder. This you at the rate example.com. You also change this. Here is required field. Here I am write true. Here we can see now email field is required. After that, next field is country. Here answers component pick list, drag and drop here. Label is country. API name also country. Data type is text. Component type is pick list. Here create new choice resource. Select pick list choice set. Write API name. I am right here. Country names and select here our object user user register. After that, data type is pick list and field is country. After that, click here, done. After that, next field is state. Here I am search component pick list and drag and drop here. Label name is state. API name is also state. Component type is pick list and here I am right choice state Maharashtra. Here I am right first state Maharashtra. Okay, and after that next is Gujarat and next is Kerala. Here I am right Delhi because Maharashtra is already using flow. Okay. After that, click here done and connect this screen. After that, save this. I'm right label, create a record. After that, save. Run this. Okay. All field is successfully created. After that, select here create records and drop here. Label is right create record. How many records to create? One. How to set the record field? Use all the values from the record. Use separate resources and literal value. I am select here second and here I am select object user register. First field is first name is comes from full name and first name. After that second field is last name. Last name is comes from full name. After that last name. Next field is email. Email is comes from right here email user register. value. After that, next field is country. Right here, country. Country is comes from country names. After that, last field is state. State is comes from state pick list. After that, click here, done, and join this create records. After that, save this. After that, activate this flow. After that, click here, run. Okay, but here I'm simply change this next button to save button. Select this footer. After that, hide this previous. After that, hide this pause button. And here I'm select user custom label. Here I'm write save. After that, done. I'm write first name test1, last name is test2, email address is test@gmail.com. Here button is not changed because flow is activated. That's why. Here I am select country India, state is Delhi. After that, click here next button. Now uh, a record is successfully added in object user register. Go to app launcher and here search user register. Here we can see record is added. It contains first name test1, last name is test2, email address is test at the rate gmail.com, country is India, and state is Delhi. In this way, we can update record using ScreenFlow. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.